At Pro Therapeutics Chiropractic and Rehabilitation, the customer's needs are our main concern. With a wide variety of products and services available, Dr. Benvenuto will make sure that your issues are dealt with. Multi-certified chiropractor Dr. Nathan Benvenuto takes pride and care with all of his clients. From general chiropractic to rehabilitation to shoulder and knee specialization, Pro Therapeutics can handle it all. Pro Therapeutics specializes in athletic recovery and myofascial release. We take care with all our clients, ensuring that their needs are met and their issues are handled. So please, no matter your issue, we can handle it here at Pro Therapeutics, and we welcome you to come on by.